So to assemble the BMK, you first mount the shunt near the battery. The shunt is actually labeled as battery side and load side. The battery side goes to the negative post of the battery. The load side will go to either to your distribution center, your DC distribution panel, or wherever the load for the battery is connected. So the first step is to connect the battery side to your battery. So obviously this isn't in an RV, so this is just more of a general connection point. From there, then the next step is to connect to your negative post to your battery. For demonstration purposes, we won't be connecting the load. Like that. So the next step is to actually do the positive side of the post. Now there's a cable that comes with this that plugs into one of these two headers here. You have the option of using two separate battery banks if you want to measure between the two banks. For our purposes today, we're just going to use a single bank, so we use header 1 here. There's a little orange plunger on the top of the header. What we do is we push the plunger in with a screwdriver and shove our contact into the plunger. Sometimes it's easier to put the contact in first and then push it into place. Once that's applied, the next step is to add the positive cable to the positive post of the battery. Once that's done, get this connected real quick. The next step is connecting between the shunt and the remote monitor. So there is a connection on the side of the shunt here that the cable plugs into, and then the opposing end plugs actually into the shunt at this point. Once that's plugged in, then the unit will actually power up. You need to follow the instructions on the Quick Start Guide to go through the initial setup process, but it should immediately show battery voltage. In this case, our battery is at 12.53 volts. There is an optional Bluetooth attachment so that you can download an app through the iOS store or the Google Play Store, which enables you, when you plug the Bluetooth attachment in, enables you to actually connect with your phone through the GoPower app. The connection is made on the back of the unit itself. You can see there's two prongs on the top of the connector that plug into the empty space in here. There's only one orientation that will fit. Once that's plugged in, the Bluetooth dongle will start to blink. It stops blinking only when connected to the app.